Good morning, class 6. This is your science lecture. We are studying unit number 9, force and machine. In this lecture, we will do exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and recall question. Do these exercises, do exercise number 1, 2, and 4 on your book, and do exercise number 3, 5, 6 and all recall question on your notebook. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Which of following device is used for making rotation easier? A. Pulley, B. Lever, C. Screw, D. Gear. Answer is option D. Gear. Number 2, the amount of work that a machine does depend upon the amount of dash applied. A. Effort, B. Work, C. Friction, D. Heat. Answer is option E. A. Effort. Number 3, which of following is modified form of inclined plane to form a sharp edge? Option A. Pulley, B. Lever, C. Wedge, D. Gear. Answer is option number C. Wedge. Number 4, a dash is a simple machine which can lift a heavy load by applying very little effort. Option A. Lever, B. Pulley, C. Wedge, D. Gear. Answer is option B. Pulley. Number 5, a heavy load can be raised easily by pulling it along a sloping surface called dash. A. Lever, B. Pulley, C. Inclined plane. Option D. Wedge. Answer is option C. Inclined plane. Number 6, a dash is a simple machine which changes the direction of force as well as increase it. A. Lever, B. Wedge, C. Screw, D. Bicycle. Answer is option B. Wedge. Number 7, a dash is special kind of inclined plane with a huge mechanical advantages. A. Lever, B. Pulley, C. Wedge, D. Screw. Answer is option C. Wedge. Number 8, a load attached to the dash end of a rope will be pulled up if effort is applied to the wheel end of the rope. Option is A. Wheel, B. Axle, C. Lever, D. Gear. Answer is axle. Number 9, a dash is a simple machine made up of wheels. A. Wheel of thread axle, B. Block and tackle, C. Pulley, D. Lead. Answer is option C. Pulley. Number 10, in bicycle, dash transmit power from one part to another. Option A. Wheel, B. Gear, C. Pulley, D. Chain. Answer is option B. Gear. Question number 2, fill in the blank. Number 1, a machine needs effort to work. Number 2, the moving part of a machine becomes hot due to friction. Number 3, the amount of effort applied to do work is called force. Number 4, the work done is called power. Number 5, a machine changes the direction of the pull. Number 6, a pulley is used to pull a load upward. Number 7, a screw increases the force applied many times. Number 8, an inclined plane is sloping surface by which heavy load can be pushed. Question number 3, how many types of pulley system are there? What is the difference between these pulley systems? Number 1, fixed pulley system. In this type of pulley system, the groove weight is fixed to a great surface like a ceiling or a wall. In this system, a fixed pulley is used to redirect the force. Therefore, same amount of effort is required to lift the attached load. For example, if load of 100 Newton is attached to the string of the pulley, in order to move it upward, a downward force of 100 Newton will be required. Movable pulley. A pulley whose axis of rotation is not fixed, thus can change its position, is called movable pulley. In this type of pulley, the groove wheel is moved along with the rope. One end of rope is fixed and another end is free to connect it to other equipment. This type of pulley is very common in industries and used for loading and unloading ships. Question number 5, define gear and explain their function in working bicycle. Gear is a small device used for making rotation easier with less effort. Inside machine, wheels often have notch or fork cut around the edge. Wheels like these are called gears. Each gear fit with one another to pass on the motion of the machine. They are useful for changing direction. They are used in different toys, hand drill, machine and bicycle. Gear transmit power one part to another. Gear take power from pedal to back wheel. The chain run over the large gear wheel on the crank and the smallest gear wheel at the back. If bicycle have number of gears, it is easy to pedal it. Draw and label wheel and axle. Give some example of use of wheel and axle of daily life. Wheels are used in machine and instrument. A wheel itself from machine, it becomes simple machine if it's a rod called axle. The rod is attached to the center of wheel. A wheel and axle enable a vehicle to move to change the direction easily. The wheels and axle are used in doorknob, wheelbarrow and steering of car and swing. Question of recall question. Students note down these questions on your notebook and learn these questions. What is a machine? Machine is a device which is used to do a particular work easy. All the machine needs energy. Define the term effort, work and power. Work is said to be done on an object when it moves in direction of applied force. Effort is force applied by a machine to do work. Power is the amount of work done by a machine in unit time. What is mechanical advantage of machine? Machine have following mechanical advantages. Machine transfer the force one place to another, change the direction of force, increase the size of force, increase the speed or distance covered by a force. Question number 4. Name some simple machines with example. There are 6 simple machines. Lever. Example of lever is nut cracker, wheelbarrow, inclined plane. Number 3 wedge. Number 4 statue. Number 5 wheel and axle. Number 6 pulley. What is gear? What are gear used for? Gear is a small device used for making rotation easier with less effort. Each gear fit with another to pass the motion of machine. They are useful to change the direction and speed of movement. They are used in clock, drill, machine and bicycle. Question number 6. How do hand of pendulum clock move? Hand of pendulum clock move with the help of gear. Gear are used in pendulum clock which help in movement of hand of pendulum clock. Number 7. Name different system. Identify the type of pulley shown in the diagram. This is type of movable pulley. How are pulley used in everyday life? In everyday life, pulleys are used in different machines like a auto garage machine, lift a car engine with pulleys, flagpole, sailboat, elevator, clothes dryer, swimming machine, windshield wiper on car and truck use pulley to make machine work. Loading and unloading of ship. Student, now your chapter is completed. Do exercise number 1, 2 and 4 on your book and do exercise number 3, 5, 6 on your notebook and do recall question on your notebook. Learn all these exercises carefully.